Syosin Selfie Stick 4-in-1. So this is what Amazon say, 14 quid for the Syosin Selfie Stick. Confusingly, it comes in different varieties, which gives us a Neo Hero selfie stick, and I have a Syosin without the attachment, and these are all slightly different sizes. That's 70 centimeters. The one that I ordered was, they say, 100 centimeters from top to top. And of course, if you notice, they're measuring it from the bottom of the base to the top of the mount when the mount is extended, so it's not going to be 100 centimeters, but we'll see exactly what it is. And on eBay, looks like the same thing, but about a tenner less, or £3 more. Right, let's have a look at the box, see what they've sent me. Okay, so let's open this package and see exactly what it is that I have been sent. Let's have a look at the package. So, open Amazon box. It comes in a nice cardboard box, which is going to be great for the old recycling. And inside we have one selfie stick, and here it is. It's a very little neat package. It says selfie stick LO2, 100 centimeters. I wonder if that's true. It tells me it's fashion. Well, really. It says selfie stick. It's got all sorts of interesting things on it. Let's have a look and see. It says 100 to 1,000 millimeters. Well, okay, yeah. How to use. Extend it and pull it out. Got some specifications. It says it works with iOS, Android, and it's got a little back on the back, and totally really unbranded, so whoever it is that's bought it in China can sell it as anything. And on the side it does actually say Syosin on the side, so let's have a look. Let's open the package and see what we have. So inside the pack, oh, paper's ripping. We've got, right, let's have a look. Here it comes. Oh, it comes in its own little bag, and inside here I've got a packet, and the packet looks like it contains a device for attaching to the stick, so that looks useful. Nothing else in the box. That means we can throw the box. We've got instructions. I do like it when they send me instructions. It's written in a language that is not English, and I think I shall need to use Google Translate to translate that. I can see some words. It says Android and it says iPhone. And what else do we have? Oh, we've got some English words, and it says how to use, long press will open, remove the remote control, 360-degree clip, all is good. Specification. That's excellent. So, length it says is 39 inches, and it doesn't say what the girth is, but the length will do. Alright, let's have a look what happens when we take it out of the package. Take it out of the package, and nice and clean, and it looks like it does on the YouTube, and looks like it does on Amazon. And if we open this, find it opens like so, and maybe there's a thing to open it, I don't know. Let's see if we can twist it. Maybe I should read the instructions. Pull it out. It's quite a thick thing. It's not really a subtle selfie stick. I was expecting it to look a little bit more like a car windscreen, a car aerial, but no, it's got all of this on it. It's got something at the end, so I suspect that there's got to be a way to take this. Oh, look at that, that's going to come out like that. That's perfect. And this will come out like this. So let's take the old mobile telephone, and it's some form of Samsung. Not too sure what type of Samsung it is, but it's my phone that I use. And there we are. So here we go. That's in place. Maybe tighten this, and there we have. Does it wobble? Wobbles a bit. Wobbles a bit. Wobbles a bit. So build quality, I'd say, is it's all right. It's probably all right. Let's have a look and see how long it goes. So there we are. We can hold it on the end, and it's good enough to hold my phone. And the bottom end down here, I can open that into a little old tripod and see how it works. It's actually holding there. It's not too wobbly, not too shabby. I wonder what this thing is that comes down here. No idea. Oh, look, you do that, you see. That's what it does. And there we are. Not too shabby. All is good. Holds itself up. 15 quid. I suppose I can't really complain for the 15 quid. I suppose it doesn't exactly fill me with massive confidence, but you know, maybe it'll do. Well, there you go. Selfie stick. Happy days. 15 quid. 15 quid I won't see again. There we are. Let's see what happens if I push it down like so and pull it in. There we are. Fits in your handbag. Very nice. Job done.